Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Ikea haul, and it's a very small haul this time. It's not as big as my other Ikea hauls that I've had before. It was a little bit on a budget, so I just got what I really needed and what I thought I would really use, because there's other times that I go to Ikea, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but I end up getting stuff and I say I'm going to use them and I end up not even needing those things. So this time I was like, okay, go there for what you want, for what you need, and you're actually going to use it. So you guys are going to see some of these things packaged already, and I am going to be showing a clip as it goes, how I put them around my house. I usually do that with my Ikea haul, so that way you guys can get an idea of how I decorated them or put them around the house. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like these type of videos, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it makes me so excited. Let's get started because I really am excited to show you guys these. We're going to start off with the basics. I'm sure you guys have seen these before on a lot of Ikea hauls, or if you went to Ikea, you probably got them if you have kids. So I'm talking about these cups right here, and they are colorful and they are only for $2.99. So I'm excited about these because I have a toddler, so she uses cups and plates and all that type of stuff. So I thought I would do a little bit of spring cleaning this year and declutter all her other plates, her old plates and stuff like that, because you guys know plastic, as it goes, it starts like getting greasy and they get really nasty and they get like a nasty smell. So when it's like plastic homeware, I try to get rid of it all the time and I buy new ones, just because plastic tends to hold a lot of bacteria on its own. Second is these right here. Of course, all colorful again, just like the cups, but they're little bowls. These are perfect for cereal or hot soups and stuff like that, which she's always eating, or just put a little snack in there while she's watching TV. So these are $2.99 as well. That's what I love about Ikea. They have little cute stuff like this for very cheap. The material is not even cheap at all. It's like very sturdy. And it's perfect for little kids, if you have little kids. Another basic is these plates right here. I'm sure you guys have seen them. They're just normal little plates. I love these. I've never purchased these before, just because, I don't know, like I always buy her other ones from like Target and stuff like that. But this time I went and I was like, you know what? I am going to purchase these because my mother-in-law purchased them. And she's always giving her food on these, which they come in handy pretty good. And I love how big they are, and you can fit like really like a portion of food and stuff like that. So got these for $2.99 as well. So right here I have these storage containers, and I am excited for these because I get to put her crayons, arts and crafts in these little containers. I like to have everything organized, so that way when it comes ready for us to like do a craft or something, I just go get the box and stuff and let her do her crafts, because you know, little toddlers, they like to draw all over your house, so you have to hide those crayons, you have to hide those markers. So this is like a perfect place where I can store all her craft stuff. And these were actually $2.99 as well. They're very, I mean, Ikea always has like the cheapest things, affordable, and the cutest things, especially when it comes to like kids and stuff. Especially when it comes to like storage and stuff like that. They make them so cute and very sturdy and perfect for like any type of storage. Alright, so next is a couple of storage items for my kitchen. I got these right here, and they were all $2.99. They were very cheap, and I feel like they're very sturdy. On top of here, it has this button, you can see right there, where you can let the steam go out. So that way, if you have like a really hot meal, you let the steam go out and let it cool down and then put it in the fridge. But I love how the top is rubber. The lid really grips on the container really good. That way you don't have no liquids coming out. I mean, I haven't tested them out yet or anything, or put food in there, but I'm sure, since it feels so hard to put on there, I'm guessing that it's going to hold up really good. If you guys have tried these before and you guys didn't like them, or you did like them, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about these, because I haven't tested them out, so I can't give you guys a full review on them. But I just like the fact that it has the hole to let the steam out, and I feel like it's very sturdy when it closes. So let me know. I got this one in the square. This is perfect for like salads, or if you want to take soups or anything like that to work. I feel like this is perfect for that. I ended up getting 2 of these, which is the same brand of that little container. 2 of these. It has a little hole as well to let the steam out. Just click it, and it is perfect as well. It feels like it closes really good as well. That's what I look for when I look for a good Tupperware, to close really good. That way my food doesn't come out, because I do take it to lunch and stuff like that. So I use these a lot. And these are perfect for like, I like to plan my meals, so I know that I don't want to over portion myself when I eat. So I put my meals like whatever fits in here, very little. So that way I can portion it myself. Okay, so I guess we got some batteries here. My husband got some batteries. He has purchased batteries from there before, and I think he likes them because, I mean, he got them again. So I don't even know how much these were just because I didn't even see them. So I don't know how much these were, but he ended up getting these pack of batteries. I'm sure they were pretty affordable because he looks at that as well. Next one is this item right here. I don't know if I purchased one of these in my past hauls or not that I've done here. I just can't remember, but these are for your kitchen and you put your soapy in there. Let me unpackage this because I can tell you guys I haven't unpackaged. I got this for my dishes so that way I can put my soapy water in there with my sponge. Because right now I have like a glass jar because I broke my other one that I had. Somebody broke it here in the house and we needed a new one, so here it is. I kind of like them because you can hang them up or something, like put them around your sink, drill them to your wall. I mean, they're pretty cool for these, but this one was actually $2.99 as well. I feel like I got a lot of $2.99 stuff. Like, I was literally on a budget. I'm trying to save, guys, so I'm trying not to go too much and waste on things that I'm never going to use. So that's why there's a lot of $2.99 things. Next one is like a home decor item, and it's just super cute. I've been wanting one of these guys for like ever. I don't know, there's like a bigger one that Ikea has for $15, and this one right here was $10. So I've been wanting one of these forever because I see them on Pinterest with pretty little flowers on there, and they look just super cute, and it's just a cute little staple that you can have in your kitchen with fresh flowers if you want, or fake flowers like I did. It is just so pretty and adorable. I got this one. This one was $10, and I never bought one because they're so expensive everywhere. And I feel like $10 was a little affordable price for this. It's so cute, and I can't wait to put it up there. Alright, so this next one right here, you're probably wondering, what is that? What did you buy? Oh man, what did I buy? I'm just kidding. I know what I bought. So these are plant holders. So you place your plants up there and you can have them anywhere around your house. I'm thinking of putting these in my backyard to make it look more nicer, not just the plants sitting, because I have plants that are just sitting in the floor and it just doesn't even look nice, if I want to say. But you do have to screw this, so if you're not good at screwing, make sure you find somebody to screw it for you, because I sure am not good at screwing. So I got 2 of those, and these were only $5.99. No, these were only $5. They're really cheap, and usually plant holders are pretty expensive, so for $5 I thought it was a pretty good price. And I got them in black. They also have them in white. So this next one I'm so excited about because last time I went to Ikea I seen them there, but I was not going to pay, I think they were like $14. I was not going to pay $14 for these because, I mean, they're so cute, but this girl is always on a budget. I'm always trying to save, and if it's like a lot of money and I feel like it's not worth that money, I mean, sometimes it is, but I don't know. I just feel like I'll just skip it and go on to something else that's affordable. But this time, I'm talking about these right here. They're shelves, and I love how it has that beautiful design right here. And they were on sale for $6.99. I was like, are you kidding me? Like, that is really cheap. There was a lot of stuff on sale actually this weekend that I went. And I think because they're going to come out with new stuff for the summer. So I think that's why there were so many things trying to get out on sale. That way they can bring the new things. I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm just saying. I'm just guessing. I don't know. But anyways, I bought 2 of these because I want to hang them on my kitchen. I want to take off the wood ramp that I have there. If you guys watch my vlogs or my other videos, or if you guys watch how my husband DIY that wood holder, then you know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to remove that from my kitchen, put these on the side, 2 on the side, and then in the middle of these both is going to be a frame, a pretty frame. I don't know what picture I'm going to put in there, but I'll get to that a little bit later. But that's how they're going to go, and I'm thinking of putting cute little frames on there, cute little decor and stuff like that, and it's going to look really nice in the kitchen. All right, here's this one right here. It's a board. No, it's not a board. Come on, get it together. It's a frame. So this is just a wood frame all around. So I love, if you guys know, my dining table is a wood, rustic wood. So I want the same stain he put on the table of our kitchen. I want him to stain it, and we're gonna hang it up so it can kind of go with the decor as it goes. And I still am not sure what kind of picture I'm going to put here in the middle, but for now it's gonna go This is the one that's gonna go in the middle of both of those shelves. It's gonna look really cute, and the kitchen's gonna look put together more. It's gonna look, because right now that shelf is a little bit too much. It's gonna look a little bit more settled, and that's why I wanted this for. So this is basically what I went to Ikea for, just to find stuff like this. That wood frame was only $12.99, and I thought it was a pretty good price because you can dress it up however you want, put any kind of photo in there, and it's still very pretty and classy with the white trim around it. So I have 2 more items, and if you stayed all the way to the end, thank you so much. And these items are just basic little things, nothing very important, but I just want to show you guys real quick. I ended up just getting a basic rug. I needed a new rug for when you walk in my door at the house, and I feel like it's black and gray stripes, and it was only for $3.99, I think. Yeah, $3.99. And I mean, I don't really like to spend a lot on little rugs that are just going to get stepped on when you walk in the house, because nobody really looks at those, gives them love. Nobody even like noticed that they're there in the door. But I thought it was a pretty good price in case you guys wanted just an affordable little rug to put in the doorstep or something when you walk in, because the ones outside, people do look at that one, so I do like to make those cute. But anyways, and then the last one is this towel right here. I didn't even know they had towels there. It's just a basic little towel. It's so cute how it has that pink right here. Has that hood for that. It has a hood for their little heads. And down here is just the bottom of the towel. It is just another pink stripe, and it's just, it feels really good. Good for my daughter, because she's been having her little baby one for like ever. So I was like, you know what, it's time to get her another one, because sometimes when her baby one is dirty, I have to use mine. So now she has 2 towels. So excited for this one. And it was on, this towel was it was not a good price. It was $10. I mean, that's a lot for like a little kid's towel. I don't know about you guys, but it was still cute. I like how it's white and pink. Those are my favorite colors. So yeah, so that is it, guys. That was my haul. Like I told you guys, it was very little, very simple things, and I hope you guys like the fact that I'm showing you guys how I use some of these things around the house. I hope that gave you an idea of how to use these things, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And once again, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you stayed to the end, especially if you stayed to the end. Like, come on, like, just give it a like. It just takes 10 seconds. But anyways, guys, once again, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!